Yeah, good evening once again, online children. Good evening, children. Yeah, I think you had more than sufficient. Yeah, good evening, children. You all had more than sufficient time to list all the identities you've learned in this chapter, polynomials. Okay. So tell me. I'll write the LHS and you complete the RHS for me. All right. Okay. So now this one is for Aragamai. X plus A into X plus B. Complete the identity. I won't say all because list of algebraic identities we have studied, no? So I'll just say list of algebraic identities. Yes, Aragamai, please complete. X plus A into X plus B is equal to louder X square plus A plus B. A plus B of X plus AB. Very good. X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B of X plus AB. Okay. Let's A plus B the whole square. Next one, Sahana, A minus B the whole square. A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, and yeah, what's A squared minus B squared? Bhavishya? A plus B into A minus B. Yeah, Prenu, A plus B the whole cubed or A plus B plus C the whole square, Prenu? A plus B plus C the whole square. Plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. If you take out 2 common, you will get AB plus BC plus CA in the bracket, correct? All right. Then A plus B the whole cubed. Very good. Plus 3AB into A plus B. This we use for numerical situations. For numerical situations, we use this. If we have to expand, then you will use, it's the same, but we prefer this A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. This one, if you have to expand, that is, if they give you, like expand 3x square mine or plus y cube, the whole cube. Expand this one. So this is like A plus B the whole cube, A plus B the whole cube. If the question is expand this, which looks like A plus B the whole cube, then you can go with this one. Both are the same, but for expanding, we use this. If the numerical situation, given some numbers, find the value of A plus B, A minus B, something like that. For numerical situations, we use the first one, the second one for expanding. Okay. Then, yeah, Srivatsan. A minus B the whole cube is equal to loud. Minus 3AB into A plus B plus B. A cube minus 3AB into A plus B. No. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB bracket. You said A plus B. A cube minus 3AB into A plus B plus B. A minus C. Okay, so A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. A cubed minus B cubed minus 3AB into A minus B. Okay, so again, this one is for numerical situations. Numerical situations, we use this. Otherwise, we use for expanding A cubed You can, for this one, remember this order, a cube. A cube is positive, right? Plus a cubed. So it will be minus 3a square b, then plus, alternating between plus and minus sign. A cubed is positive, plus a cubed. So next it will be minus 3a square b. Then again plus 3ab square. Again minus b cube for expanding. You can write this also in the same way. You can write this one also in the same way, but all positive. All positive. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. All positive. Here it will be positive, negative, positive, negative. Plus a cubed minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Plus minus plus minus. Online students can take a screenshot if you want, and I'll send this on WhatsApp. That is, got this right, all of you? No, what is a cubed? What if you drink water? You thought I'm allowed to ask you, is it? On the turn one, if you start drinking. Okay. What is a cubed plus b cubed? A. Yeah. I forgot your name. Hariharan. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube li eppadi a cube plus b cube vara mudiyum? A cube plus b cube is equal to a cube plus something plus b cube. How is it possible? A cube plus b cube is equal to? Yeah, Mohit. A cube completed. A cube plus b cube is equal to? No, I'm not asking. No, this is a cube plus b cube. Okay. Let's come from here. Let's come from here. We know that a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b is a plus b the whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a plus b the whole cube. We know that, right? Yeah. Okay, so we know now transpose. Transpose. What do you want to find? You want to find, look at the board, you want to find, you want to find this one, a cube plus b cube. So take this one to the right hand side. You need to find a cubed plus b cubed. So transpose 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cubed. Now this is one term. 3ab into a plus b is one term. So it becomes, it's plus 3ab into a plus b. It becomes minus 3ab into a plus b. When it goes to the other side. If you cannot remember this identity, please remember this one. This is the original kind of. We all know this a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a plus b the whole cube. This we know. Now you can see a cube plus b cube here. Now you want to find what is a cubed plus b cubed. So a cubed plus b cubed is equal to, so you need to take this one to the other side. You need to take this to the other side. Now this is one term preceded by a plus sign. So when you transpose that, so it will be a plus b the whole cube. It will come to the other side. 3ab into a plus b will come to the other side. It had a plus sign. Now it becomes minus. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Or the other one is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. If you have not written this, please make one, or maybe you can do it as homework. Don't scribble now. I'll share the images. Work it out, write it out 2-3 times at home. This is like ABCD for polynomials. So you don't know this, meaning if this is not memorized, the whole chapter becomes difficult. So a cube plus b cubed is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Or a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You need to remember both, or remember this one so you can get this. This you have to remember. We have derived all this, children. Now I'm not doing the derivation again and taking your time. And we will not be interested also in that now. When you're learning something new, the derivation will be interesting because it's new to you. Now that you know this chapter, you're not interested in the derivation. That you can learn only if you want to learn. You can watch the recordings, or you can ask me for the recording and you can watch it and learn it yourself. Now half of you will not listen to me. Now what's the other one? A cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to a minus b the whole cube. This we know. This we've already written. A cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to a minus b the whole cube. Now transpose. You want to find a cubed minus b cubed. So you need to take this one to the other side. You need to transpose this, right? So a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b the whole cubed. This 3ab into a minus b will go to the other side. That's one term. It was with a minus sign, so it comes with a plus sign here. Now this is one term, so this a minus b will be a minus b only. That will not change the sign. That's one term. The preceding sign, it's minus, so it becomes plus. Also, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to, who can tell me? Somebody online? What is a cubed minus b cubed also? You have the answer. Yeah, 1 second. What is a cubed minus b cubed also?
A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square.
Very good. A minus b into a square
Plus ab plus b square.
Very good, Swati. Thank you. Yes. Is she right? I said very good, Swati, but I don't know. She's right. You wanted to say the same thing? No, you had the same thing in your mind? Okay, so you're also right then. Very good. All right. Next one. Next one, we finished. Yeah, a plus b. Okay, now a plus b plus 1 second. Next one is a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc. What is this? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to online. Not Swati again. Thank you, Swati. Not Swati again. Somebody else. Blessy. Niveda. Anugraha. Laksha. Sabarna. Sadhana. Aniruddhan. Aniruddhan.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square.
Okay.
Minus ab minus bc minus ca.
Very good. Thank you, Aniruddhan. So a plus b plus c. Thank you. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And now the conditional identity. The conditional identity. Who can tell me the conditional identity? Aniruddhan, disable your mic. Yeah, who can tell me the conditional identity online? If
A plus B plus C equals 0.
Then
A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals 3ABC.
Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. If A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC is the conditional identity. Conditional identity because this is not an identity on its own. On its own, this is not an identity. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is not 3ABC. It's a conditional identity. It's like, if you do this favor for me, then I'll do that for you. Okay, you do this, I'll do that. You don't do this, I'll not do that, like that. It's a conditional identity. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube is not 3ABC. It is 3ABC only if A plus B plus C is 0. So you must check if A plus B plus C is 0. If it is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. All right. Okay, now let me give you some questions. All right. Yeah, take down this question, children. Try this. That's K. 2K y square. Small letter K. Small letter K this is. Two K y square plus 6KY minus 20K. Not 2 okay. Okay, it's 20K. Yeah, 20. This is 20K. Yeah, do this. Write 3 different possible expressions for the dimensions of a cuboid whose volume is given to you. So this expression given, the expression given represents the volume of a cuboid. What are the dimensions of a cuboid? Length, breadth, height. Now you have to give expressions for length. I'll just explain this question to you. Now, for example, like say the volume of a cuboid is say 30 centimeter cube. The volume of a cuboid is 30 centimeter cube. Okay, so what you should do is you should factorize 30. 2 15 times, 3 5s, 5 1s. Now, what are the possible dimensions? What are the possible dimensions? If the length is 2, the breadth can be 3, the height can be 5. Possible dimensions. The volume of, I've given you the volume of the cube. I've given you the volume of a cuboid, 30 centimeter cube, and I wanted you to write the possible numbers for the dimensions, length, breadth, and height. So for that, I'll have to factorize 30. Okay, 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So if length is 2, breadth can be 3, height can be 5. Or if length is 5, this can be 2 and 3. Or if this is 3, then this can be 5. You understand what I'm saying, right? So I've written 3 sets here. More are possible. You can even take fractions. This you can write infinitely many combinations like this. Not limited. You can write infinitely many, because if something is 2.1, then something else is 3.5, then something else is something. You understand that, right? I can write fractions. I can take so many values. If the length is 2.01 and if the breadth is 5.75, then what is the height? So I can write, you can write infinitely many possible dimensions. We have just listed 3. Is the question clear? Now here we have an expression. We have an algebraic expression. You should factorize this. So like you factorize 30. You factorize 30, no? You found 2, 3, and 5, the factors of 30, and using that you gave different combinations for the dimensions. In the same way, you need to factorize this one. And using the factors, you must write out the length, breadth, and height. Yeah, factorize it. Factorize. First step is to factorize, children. Do that. Factorize the volume given. Yeah. Online students, tell me, what is the first step? How do you factorize? What's the first step?
You can take k as common, ma'am.
Very good.
2k.
Swati. Very good. 2k is common. So taking out the common factor is the golden rule. When you have to factorize an expression, the first thing you should look out for is if the different terms have something in common other than 1. 1 is always common other than 1. Look at the terms 2ky square, 6ky, 20k. The numbers 2, 6, and 20 have 2 in common, and k everywhere. So 2k is common. Taking out the common factor is the first step in factorization. 2k. So you get y squared plus 3y minus 10. Now, how will you factorize? See, only when you take out the common factor, things become clear for you. Now you know what to do next. But if you didn't take out the common factor, you will only keep wondering what to do next. Splitting the middle term, and that you understood because you took out 2k common. So remember this, when you have to factorize an expression, now this expression has 3 terms. If the 3 terms have something in common, see, when I say something in common, not 1 is always common. So something in common, taking out the common factor is the first and the foremost step. Very, very important. All right. Yeah, now finish it. Now finish it. I'll not disturb you. Finish it. Split the middle term. Done? Kamalika? Yeah, somebody online tell me. How do you split the middle term? What are the 2 numbers?
Minus
5
2 and
minus.
minus 2.
Correct. Y square plus 5y minus 2y minus 10. Square bracket y into y plus 5 minus 2 into y plus 2k into y plus 5 into y minus 2. So see, like we factorized 30, 2 into 3 into 5. We have factorized what was 30 there? Volume. and we factorize the volume, right? 30, 2 into 3 into 5. So like that here, the volume is this expression. We have factorized the expression. What is it? It's 2k into y plus 5 into y minus 2. Now, if something is the length, the other thing is the breadth, and the remaining one is the height, like that. So the possible dimensions are 3 possible dimensions are, you can just make columns like this: length, breadth, and height. If the length is 2k, then this is y plus 5, and this is y minus 2. If this is y plus 5, this can be 2k, then this has to be y minus 2. Y minus 2, y plus 5, this is 2k. That's it. Please complete this. So in the same way, children, you'll be given an expression for area. Listen to this. You can write later. In the same way, now this is volume of a cuboid. In the same way, they can give you an expression that represents the area of a rectangle. They can give you an expression that represents the area of a rectangle. You should factorize that. And for area, what dimensions, or for a rectangle, what dimensions you will have? Length and breadth, not height. Rectangle, dimensions, length, breadth. An expression will be given that which represents area. So factorize that. So you will get two factors. If this is the length, this is the breadth. If this is the length, you understand that, right? Yeah, finish it. All right, next one. Next question. Please write along with me. Without actual division, without actual division, prove that f of x 2x to the power 4 plus x cubed minus 14x squared minus 19x minus 6 is divisible by g of x 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Yeah. Okay, so using division, how do you show that it's exactly divisible? Using division. Okay, that's what. You'll do the long division. Then how will you know it's exactly divisible?
The remainder must be 0.
Remainder will be 0. If the remainder is 0, when you perform the long division, if the remainder is 0, then it's exactly divisible. The given expression is exactly, okay, f of x is exactly divisible by g of x. Now you should not do the long division. Then how will you do? Yes, Swati?
No?
Yeah. Can you share how to do this one? Or I'll give you some more time to process.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Please think. Yes, all of you think and let me know. Don't work something and waste time. Tell me what you're doing and then you start working. First, you must get the idea, then you should work your idea. You can't start working. It's not a numerical question that let me work and then say. It's not numerical. No, you should have an idea. What is your idea? Tell me that and then you start working. Louder. Okay, trial and error method, what will you do? You will take what and do what with that? Okay, so you'll take different values of x and put it in f of x or g of x. Then what will you do with g of x? No, if you give different values for x in f of x, you will only find the value of f of x. If you in f of x, if you give different values for x, you will only be finding the value of f of x for that particular value of x. That's not going to help you. No.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
synthetic division.
Synthetic division. Okay, but no, that's again, okay, let me tell you like this. Synthetic division is also kind of long division. But I don't know how you will also perform the synthetic division. No, it is not. Okay, so again, I can give you a numerical, situation to explain this. Okay, so like how we understood for a cuboid. For cuboid, what? When we were given the volume of a cuboid, we took an example, no? We took a numerical situation. If the volume is 30, then what are the possible L, B, and H? So 30 is 2 into 3 into 5, correct? 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. So we said if length is 2, then breadth can be 3, height is 5, and so on. Now for this, what I can tell you is, now supposing I give you this number 690. I give you this number 690. And I ask you to check if it is divisible by 15. Okay, check if 690 is divisible by 15. But you should not do the long division. You should not divide. You should not do this without long division. You should not do this. I want you to check if 690 is divisible by 15. Divisible means exactly divisible only. Divisible, exactly divisible, both are the same. So I want you to check if 690 is divisible by 15. But you should not do the long division. No, that also is division. Okay, that is simple division. So without dividing. So for that, what you'll have to do is, what are the factors? What are the factors of 15? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. See, I'm a specific thing. Okay, now. Okay. So 15 is what? 3 5s are 15. Now, that's a test of divisibility for 15 actually. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it's divisible by 15. That's a test of divisibility for 15. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it's divisible by 15. Okay. Now you don't extend it like this. Now supposing 24. Now don't say if a number is divisible by both 6 and 4, it's divisible by 24. Don't extend it. That's different. There are many other theories behind that. I'm just trying to make you understand the fundamental. So if you want to check if 690 is divisible by 15, 15 is 3 into 5. So check if 690 is divisible by 3. Check if 690 is divisible by 5. If it's divisible by both 3 and 5, then it's divisible by 15. You understand? How do you check if it's divisible by 3? Sum of the digits. 6 plus 9 plus 0. What is 6 plus 9 plus 0? 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so 690 is divisible by 3. Then how do you check if it's divisible by 5? Yeah, the ones digit, it ends with the digit 0, so it's divisible by 5. So since 690 is divisible by both 3 and 5, it is divisible by 15. In the same way, what is 690 here? F of x is 690. Now here did we divide? Now here we just used the test of divisibility. Did we divide? We didn't divide. We just used the test of divisibility. It's divisible by 3, it's divisible by 5, so it's divisible by 15. We didn't divide. We just used some other, we used this idea of test of divisibility. In the same way here, 690 is f of x. F of x is 690. Okay, this one is like 690. This is like 15. What did you do with 15? Factorize it 3 into 5. So you should factorize this one. You must factorize this. You must factorize it. Then what did you do? You checked if 690 is divisible by 3 and 690 is divisible by 5. In the same way, find the two factors and check if f of x is divisible, if f of x is divisible by this factor, if f of x is divisible by this factor. If f of x is divisible by both the factors, then f of x is divisible by g of x. F of x is like 690. G of x is like 15. Like how you split 15 as 3 into 5. And then you checked 690 is divisible by 3. 690 is divisible by 5. So 690 is divisible by 15. In the same way, factorize g of x. And check if f of x is divisible by this factor. F of x is divisible by this factor. If f of x is divisible by both the factors, then f of x is divisible by g of x. Now, how do you check if it is divisible? Using the factor theorem, the remainder theorem. Using the remainder theorem, if the remainder is 0, it is divisible. Yeah, let's do that. So you don't have to copy. I'm going to work it now. Please understand and continue. So step 1 is to factorize g of x. Step 1 is to factorize g of x. Because g of x is like 15. So factorize. What is the sum? Minus 5. What is the product? 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6. So what are the two numbers? Minus 6 and 1. Correct? Minus 6 and 1. The two numbers are minus 6 and 1. So it is 2x square minus 6x plus x. Science put 3 to sorry. Minus 3 minus 2 is plus 6. Okay. So 2x square minus 6x plus 6 minus 3. Yeah, finish this for me. Is it cold or something? You complete. Now you got the idea. Very good. Divisible, not divisible. Divisible. Two x plus 1. Now these are the factors of g of x. So next step. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Correct? Equated to 0. Equated to 0. Now find f of minus 1 by 2. F of minus 1. Yeah, I'll do it in the next slide. Okay. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we need to find f of minus 1 by 2. We need to check if this factor, if f of x is divisible by 2x plus 1. We need to check if f of x is divisible by 2x plus 1. So find f of half. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus minus 1 by 2 the whole cubed minus 14 into minus 1 by 2 the whole squared minus 19 into minus 1 by 2 minus 6. Correct? So 2 into, are you following, Mohit? What is minus 1 by 2 to the power 4, Mohit? No, Mohit. No? 1 by? 1 by? Why are you swallowing your words? 6. What is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? No problem. Take your time. No problem. Okay, that's what you should do. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 16. And minus taken 4 times will be positive. Minus taken 4 times is positive. So 1 by 16 plus minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Minus taken 3 times. Minus and 1 by 8. Then minus 14 into minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Positive 1 by 4 plus 19 by 2 minus 6. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8. And here you can cancel 2 7s are minus 7 by 2 plus 19 by 2 minus 6. Plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 gets cancelled. LCM is 2 minus 7 plus 19 minus 12, which is 0 by 2, 0. Correct? Same steps you have. Oh, you didn't cancel 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 8. Okay. Yeah, any questions you have? So like how we checked 690 is divisible by 3. So like that, this expression f of x is divisible by 2x plus 1 because the remainder is 0. Now we equate the other factor, x minus 3. Yeah, write on this. Online students, any questions, please ask me. Which one is 0? The next one also. Yeah. Okay, next we have to check if f of x is divisible by x minus 3. So x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to, I don't have the polynomial, tell me no. 2? 2 into 3 to the power 4. Then? plus, yeah, okay, plus 3 squared minus, no, not 3 squared, 3 cubed. Minus 14 into 3 squared minus 19 into 3 minus 6. நீங்க சொல்றது எப்படி இருக்கும்? நான் வந்து எங்க ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகாம பக்கத்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு போயிட்டேன். Okay, 3 to the power 4 is what? 9 9s are 81, 81 2s are 162 plus 27 minus 3 squared is 9. 14 into 9, 126 minus 19 into 3, 57 minus 6, and I hope this is 0. So since the factors of g of x, divides f of x. So like since the factors of 15, 3 and 5, 3 and 5 divides the 690. So 690 is divisible by 15. Remember that numerical situation to recall the procedure to do this answer, children. Okay. So here you can comment that, therefore, 2x plus, therefore, what is that? Therefore, f of x is divisible by, f of x is divisible by 2x plus 1. You can just call this 1 like this. And here, therefore, f of x is divisible by x minus 3. You can call this 2. So from 1 and 2, f of x is divisible by g of x. Is divisible by g of x. Mohit, at the end of the class, I need to check your book, okay? Understood, children? Okay, one simple question and we'll continue with the lines and angles. Oh, I didn't get the. Yeah. This is over. Online children? Online children, use the emoji, raise your hand. Nugraha, Laksha, Sadarna, Sadhna, Niveda, Nirudan, Swati, and Blessy. Very good, children. Very good. Have you all completed this, online children?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
go to the next one? Okay. Yeah, it becomes warmer a little later. Just try shifting, or is it wrong if I say that? Yeah, just try to just move there, and maybe when you're feeling warm, you can come back here. Yeah, now are you feeling better now? Yeah. I'll actually. Next one. So to find x cube minus 1 by x cube, what value do you need? Huh? Not x plus 1 by x. Yeah, you can say. To find the value of x cubed minus 1 by x cubed, we need the value of a particular expression. What is it?
X minus 1 by x the whole cubed.
X minus 1 by x the whole cubed. That is, you need the value of x minus 1 by x, is it? X minus 1 by x or x plus 1 by x? Okay, so make a note of this flow chart. We have done this earlier. See, when you're given, see, okay, to find x cubed plus 1 by x cubed, you need the value of x plus 1 by x. To find the value of x cubed minus 1 by x cubed, you need the value of x minus 1 by x. To find x squared plus 1 by x squared, you need x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. Anything you can get the answer. To find x squared minus 1 by x squared, you need the value of x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. To find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, you need the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. And to find the value of x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4, you need the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. You need the value of x squared minus 1 by x squared. And for this, further, you need x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Please make a note of this chart. All are independent. This is one. And order, any order, but I have just written it in some order here. மேல இருக்கிறது வந்து what you should find. கீழே வந்து அதை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன வேணும் அதை எழுதியிருக்கேன். மேல இருக்கிறது வந்து what you have to find. To find that what you need I've written below using the arrows. If you can remember this, it will be easy. So to find x squared plus 1 by x squared, you need the value of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. But to find the value of x squared minus 1 by x squared, you need the value of x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. That's not or. Again, see where I've written and, you need both. You need everything. Here you need everything. Another? What's the joke? I don't know, Mike. Huh? Okay. What is he showing you? Okay. So I'll share some, we will also get homework regularly from now. Please complete it. There's no punishment for not doing. But you will not be allowed to sit in the class. Online students, I don't know how to punish, but all right. No, we'll start it with a serious note. So you have to do your homework. Do not neglect it. Homework will come with the answers, but don't copy it. It comes with the answers because you can work the work and then check so that the learning is complete. You understand? I send you homework and you don't know how to do it. At least you can see how to work and complete your homework. So mostly it will come with the answers. Sometimes it may not come with the answers. When it doesn't come with the answers, we'll discuss it in the class here. Okay, so so I'll share an assignment based on this one. So it's easy. If you have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube, you should find the value of x plus 1 by x. If you have to find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube, you need x minus 1 by x. Understand from the chat? So now come back to this question. You need to find the value of x cubed minus 1 by x cubed. That means you need the value of x minus 1 by x. So using this one, you should find the value of x minus 1 by x. To find x cube minus 1 by x cube, you need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. You need to find x minus 1 by x using what is given here. So you should start like this. What do you want? You want what? X minus 1 by x, right? You write that x minus 1 by x, you write that. And you square it. All this you should do by yourself. You want x minus 1 by x, right? So you write it yourself and square it. Expand it now. What is x minus 1 by x the whole square? A minus b the whole square. A square minus 2 into a into a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Correct? Because what is a? A is x. B is 1 by x. B is 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x the whole square is equal to x square. I'll write this plus 1 by x square here. And this gets cancelled, minus 2. Is that fine? Now, what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? 51 minus 2, correct? So x minus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 49. So x minus 1 by x is equal to the square root of 49. Take only the positive value, 7. So x minus 1 by x is 7. Now find x cubed. You found x minus 1 by x. Now cube this on both the sides. Now you know that x minus 1 by x is equal to 7. Cube on both the sides. X minus 1 by x the whole cube is equal to 7 cubed. Complete this. Tell me. 343. Oh, 7 cubed is 343. What's the value of x cubed, mine? Yeah, please finish this. $320. 2. Okay, let's see. 322. You finished, Rishapriyan? No? Who's finished? You're finished. Come, show me a book. You're finished, Niveda. What's your name? Bhavishya? Prenu finished? Come, show me a book. There, who's finished? Come. Very good. Is equal to step Leo. Very good, very good. இங்க என்ன மைனஸ் இருக்கு அப்புறம் இங்க பிளஸ் போட்டிருக்கு minus 3 into something. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B, right? Come here, you come here. Check this. A cube minus A cube. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. That is 3AB will be X cube varadu. X and 1 by X now. Into A minus B 7 is equal to 343. So it will become plus no minus 370 plus 21 it will become. Yeah. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into. Very good. You have done it correctly, but why did you change the sign here? This is correct. So we'll come to the side as plus 21. Oh, you were right only. You are right. 343 plus 21. Very good. Seven cubed only 343, not 311. 3AB on the X cubed and 1 by X cubed. What is A? X. B is 1 by X. Correct? Please hold on. Numerical version numerical version you should take A cube plus B cube, A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. I wrote here, no? See here. What did I write? See here. For numerical version, this one. Here. A minus B the whole cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B for numerical. This one only. This is number. This is what I said numerical. Here you should not write 3A square B 3AB square. Not that you will not get the answer. Don't use this one here. Because then you take out 3 common and you've gone wrong also. It's not. From where do you get 49? This is 7. No, that's why the entire confusion is because of this one only. No. Children dealing with numerical situations, please use this one. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B, or A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. I've written numerical, no? So right now we are in a numerical situation. and we have to expand a minus b the whole cubed, x minus 1 by x the whole cubed, a minus b the whole cube, where a is x and b is 1 by x. So what is a minus b the whole cubed? A cubed minus b cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab minus 3 into a into b into a minus b is equal to 7 cubed, which is 343. So x cubed minus 1 by x cubed, x gets cancelled, minus 3 into x minus 1 by x, the value is 7. X minus 1 by x, the value is 7. So put that is equal to 343. So x cubed minus 1 by x cubed minus 21 is equal to 343. So x cubed minus 1 by x cubed is equal to 343 plus 21, which is 364. Numerical, use a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. The 3a square b, 3ab square is for expanding. If they give you an expression and say expand it, then you should use a square b, ab square. So Mritza had done it perfectly correct. You knew, all of you knew, Bhavishya, Renu, all of you did it well, but Mritza was correct, followed by Prenu. By mistake, she wrote, followed by Prenu, instead of plus 21, she wrote minus 21. Followed by, no, you went wrong. You wrote 313 for 7 cube. San also didn't get it right. You're okay. Somewhere you wrote x, 1 by x, then suddenly x cube by. Why that confusion? In a hurry, huh? No, that cube, that powers also you didn't write correctly. See, 3ab into a minus b. There also you put x cube, 1 by x cube and all that. See, if it is English, if you have to write an essay on a particular topic, of the 10 points, if you have written, of the 10 points you have written, if 5 is right, you'll get marks for that. Okay, but this is math. You should be right everywhere. You should be right from the beginning to the end. Correct or not? Just imagine it's computers. You can run the program only if it is 100% correct. 100% perfect இருந்தாதான் அந்த ப்ரோக்ராமே ரன் ஆகும். நீங்க ஒரு செமிகோலன் போடல, ஒரு பிராக்கெட் போடல, இல்ல நீங்க whatever, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know any programming language anyways. So yeah, so there one error, which is called a syntax error. It will not run, your program will not run. Oh my God, what's wrong today? Yeah, so just imagine you're writing a code. Okay, you're writing some in some language in computers, you're writing a code. You have to be perfect. If it has to run, it should be perfect. Yeah. When I'm talking about perfection, my projector is not projecting. Okay. Yeah. Is that fine, children? I know you cannot see the board. Yeah. Online children. Online children, I'm going to share another link. I'm going to end this meeting. I'll share another link. Please leave this meeting and join the meeting again using the other link. Yeah. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.